Okay, so we were discussing that we had learned the different processes regarding the Linux operating system at Ubuntu software. So, creating the file, deleting it, these all are the common process which we perform in our Windows operating system also, as well as the sorry. So, moving a file or a folder, deleting it, renaming it, these all are the topics which we had done and we are doing normally in our Windows operating system. So, how to select it by right clicking it or by moving or dragging, how to open the file and folder, we can double click on it, how we can close the folder, you can go to the close button. Okay, so these are the topics which we had covered in chapter number 3, which gives us an introduction to the operating system Linux. In the next chapter, we had learned about word processor. Now, word processor, like the program, just for revision purpose, those programs which help us to edit, format the text to make it more attractive are known as your text editor program. Right now I'm using another text editor program in front of you to show that what type of changes I can do on the text. So as you can see right now, the font of the text are being changing like this. We will use this. Okay, now let's change the color of, as you can see right now. So all these operations which I have done, I had performed on text. I had changed or modified the appearance of the text. So such programs which are being used to change, edit or format the appearance of the text are known as your word processor program. Making changes to the text in a document is known as your editing. Now this was your program Office Libre Writer, which help us to type text and format the text. In this you had learned how you can select the characters or lines or words by using mouse or keyboard, how you can insert the text and delete the text by using by using delete and backspace key, how to use the undo and redo button. Undo cancels the last action which we had performed, whereas uh, re, redo performs the same action again. We had also used the spelling and grammatical check character in word processors. We have a grammar and spelling check option. As you can see, my name is right now showing with a red wavy line, which shows that this is a grammatical, or by it's a wrong word by the grammatical, because my name is not saved in a dictionary. But if I write, let's say, so this word is available in the dictionary, hence no red line or no wavy lines are there. But if I just change the spelling and let's see, elephant, this word is not available in dictionary, hence it is showing a red wavy line. We can correct it by using the suggestions and it can be done. So we had learned about the spelling and grammatical check. We had used thesaurus for finding out the synonyms and antonyms of the same word. It's like in your Hindi we have vilom shabd, the word which is opposite to the given word. Here it is antonyms. In Hindi you have parayavachi word, the word which is having the similar meaning to the given word. In English it is synonyms. So to finding out the synonyms or antonyms or in Hindi it is can be vilom shabd or parayavachi shabd of a given particular word can be done by using thesaurus. After this, the next chapter which we had studied was formatting the text writer. I had right now done, like changing the font or the font size. I had just shown you up. There are different fonts available. You can change the font color. You can change the text case, uppercase, lowercase, sentence cases. All these are mentioned here. You can make it bold, italic or underlined. And you can also use the format paintbrush. Now I'll just want to make it format paintbrush. Have you seen this word, my name is Shrejit? Okay, now see that all these words are in different font is bell empty and font size is 72 and color is blue. Okay, now what I'm doing is I'm writing something in some other language, let's say Times New Roman with the black color and 16. Okay, so I wrote dear. Okay, I'll change his appearance, shun the signs 42. Now as you can see, the two words written on the screen, Srijit and dear, these two are different. One is in yellow color, blue color, some font size bigger and some other font bell 10, whereas dear is in your same font but the size is low, the color is slim. Now I want that whatever formatting steps I had applied on Shrejit directly applied on dear. I'm not going to change the size, then its font, then its color. I want that all the three formatting process should be applied on this single word itself without anything. So we will use format painter. Format, when you choose the format painter, the word which you had selected, all the formatting steps have been copied. Now as you can see, it is being changed in a brush form. Now as I'll click here, it will do it for the same on the other word. That means it copies all the formatting process onto a next word which we had selected. So format paintbrush allows you to apply all the formatting steps from one piece of the text in a document to the another document. Then we had used the numbering and bullets, which helps to list the contents. Subscript and superscript, the way of writing the letter little bit lower or little bit upper to the given word. Applying borders and shadows and drop caps. These were the topics which we had discussed regarding the word processor application, that is your Office Library Writer. Then we started with the chapter which we had done in class 3 also, that is Scratch, which is a free programming language which helps us to understand the basic knowledge of the programming language. I hope everybody remember this screen and this special friend, that is our sprite. We had discussed about the different cursor tools, stage modes, and we had also learned how to add new sprite to the stage. Once we have added him, how we can paint the new sprite, how we can change the appearance of the new sprite. So in this manner, what we had learned in this chapter, how we can work with multiple sprite, that is more than one sprite on the screen, on the stage. We had also learned to apply the graphical effects